guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently in Dubai and I'm going to show you my apartment tour. But before I do that, I want to get into this gorgeous jewelry that I got from Ana Luisa. They have the most amazing dainty jewelry. I'm not really one for big jewelry. I really like small studs, small earrings, small necklaces. So Ana Luisa is definitely up my street. They're currently having a sale on their website, one of the biggest sales they've ever had. If you follow me on Instagram, then you might have already seen these rings on my stories and this gorgeous bracelet, all from Ana Luisa, and they have so much more on the website that you definitely like. If you're like me and you like dainty small pieces, then you definitely love their website. I'm gonna leave all the info in the description box, and make sure you check that out. Make sure you grab something for yourself, grab something for your loved one, your sister, your friend, your girlfriend. They be looking cute. I love the black detailing with the gold rim, and this ring right here with the bubbles on the end. They're just so like creative and so timeless. These rings will go with pretty much everything. They can go with dresses, they can go with casual outfits as I'm wearing right now. And this bracelet is just so tiny but so effective. The quality is amazing for the price, and their prices are very, very affordable. I would definitely recommend checking their website out, having a little spree on the website and seeing what you like. My rings and my bracelet came in these textured pouches, which is perfect for me as I tend to lose my jewelry a lot, so this is really good for storage. They're also very durable. Since I've been here in Dubai, I've been in the water, but they haven't once tethered one bit, so that is fantastic. The links on the bracelet are very strong. I haven't broken one link, and both rings haven't scratched or bent or broken. This is the sale they're currently having on their website. Buy one, get 60% off. If you ask me, this is a bargain noggin, so if I were you, I would definitely steal a few pieces. They have very modern, up-to-date, stylish jewelry, which actually reminds me of designer high-end pieces without the price tag. I'm more of a gold babe as opposed to silver, but a lot of their jewelry stood out to me, especially this bracelet right here. This is fire. This looks like it can go with pretty much anything, but I couldn't choose everything off the website. One of the items that I did choose was this gorgeous ring right here with the ball detail. It has two little balls on the end, and it's kind of like disconnected, and it kind of gives a mysterious feel to it. Let me show you where I'm staying in Dubai. So let me start from the beginning here. So guys, this hotel is called the 5 Village. It's quite a popular hotel in Dubai. I pretty much love it. We got a 2-bed apartment with a private pool, and it looks freaking gorgeous. But this is the door. You walk in, you see the door. I'm gonna flip you around so you can see the rest. So after you see the door, you come in, and here's the kitchen. They do leave some snacks and drinks for you. The kitchen is pretty big actually. It's quite a nice sized kitchen. We haven't got to use it yet because we're definitely not cooking on this holiday. It has a counter with kind of like a bar area, and this is what the view looks like from this side. Then when you pan over to this side, you have your living area, which is so spacious and gorgeous. You can see I've already started doing my makeup here. This is like my makeup area because I like to sit down when I do my makeup. So you have your living area, and you have such really nice contemporary furniture. And then to the side we have this really pretty shelving, and then when you walk down, there's a TV and the sofa. The sofa is actually really, really comfortable. There's also this little light thing that says move me. Not sure what they mean by that, but then you come out to the terrace. Was it like a terrace? Yeah, it's like a terrace area, and here is where we have our private pool. This is gorgeous. The view is amazing. We have a little seat here and our private pool, which is cleaned bi-daily, I think. And this is all us right here. This is all us. Like, guys, let's just take the view in. The view is stunning. I can't get enough of this view. Then when you come here, this is one of the bedrooms, but I'm going to show you that in a sec. But you can also go around the corner here. I don't like getting near the edge of the balcony, but around the corner here we have a little balcony and seating area. I'll go around the side so I can show you what the rest looks like. So that's our little terrace with our private pool. Now we're back into the living room. Then you come over this way, then you're met with a corridor. This room is the master room, and then this room is the smaller room. But I'm gonna start with my room. This is my room. It's really cute actually. It's quite small, not that small. It's, you know, smaller than the other room, but it's very cute. I really like it. There's aircon obviously, and there's loads of space for storage for your clothes. This is where I've stored some of my clothes. But yeah, I've stored some of my clothes there. You have so much space here. And then you also have this little space here for more storage and a safe as well. Don't mind my messy clothes. Just put my shoes on the side. So that's my bathroom, no, that's my bedroom. Then you have my bathroom, which is stunning. This is what the bathroom looks like. There's loads of space here. And then this is just my toilet. Here's me. But yeah, this is the bathroom. It's so freaking pretty. I love it. I'm gonna go over to this side. So it has 2 doors to enter. This door, which is where the toilet is, and then you can come out through this door as well. Just so if anyone else wants to use your bathroom, they don't have to disturb you. And then come back out through my door. So this is the second room. It's quite big. This is the master room, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite big, really nice. And then they've got a TV in here and a really nice mirror on the side.
Hey.
And then they've got like wardrobe space as well. Quite spacious. And then their bathroom's really nice. They've got a massive bathroom with a bathtub. It's me again, massive bathtub. And their shower is like an open, like a wet room shower. But imagine having a bath in, have you guys actually had a bath in here?
Yeah.
So nice, and the view is just insane having a bath in here. And I love the little details of this hotel. They just have like the most gorgeous little touches. Me again. And then this is their toilet, but you don't want to see that. Then you come back out this way, and then you have the private pool again. But I forgot to show you my balcony on my side, so let me do that quickly. Oh my god. But yeah, I have a balcony on my side as well. This is my private balcony with some seating as well. I haven't been out here because guys, I'm really scared of heights. I'm not sitting out here, sorry, but the view is so nice, like it's gorgeous. If you're coming to Dubai anytime soon, most definitely recommend this hotel. The staff are amazing, they're very polite, very clean, very nice. The air smells really fresh, everything is just like phenomenal. I've never experienced such a service before. Again, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa for the amazing timeless pieces of jewelry. You won't be disappointed, trust me. There's so much to choose from on that website. Make sure you check out the description box for all the info on the biggest sale they're having yet, and make sure you shop for your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.